Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at MoneyLion, a financial platform offering various services, from cash advances and managed investing to credit builder loans and checking accounts. Let's explore what MoneyLion brings to the table and whether it might be a good fit for your financial needs. Navigating their website, found at https://www.moneylion.com, reveals a sleek and user-friendly interface. They highlight their core offerings prominently, making it easy to understand the range of services available. One of the key features they promote is their Instacash service, which provides quick access to cash advances. This can be a helpful tool in a pinch, but it's essential to understand the associated fees and repayment terms. MoneyLion also emphasizes its managed investing options, allowing users to invest with personalized portfolios based on their risk tolerance and financial goals. This automated approach to investing can be appealing for those who prefer a hands-off approach. Further exploration of the MoneyLion website showcases their credit builder loan product, designed to help individuals improve their credit scores. This can be a valuable resource for those looking to build or rebuild their credit history. They also offer a checking account with features like early payday and cashback rewards, adding to the overall financial ecosystem they provide. Beyond these core offerings, MoneyLion provides resources and tools to help users better manage their finances. They offer budgeting tools, financial tracking, and educational materials to empower users to make informed financial decisions. It's important to thoroughly review all terms and conditions before utilizing any of their services. Overall, MoneyLion presents a comprehensive suite of financial tools and services. From cash advances and investing to credit building and checking accounts, they aim to provide a one-stop shop for various financial needs. However, as with any financial platform, it's crucial to conduct your own research and carefully consider your individual circumstances before committing to any services. Remember to check the description for the link and take advantage of the resources provided there. Thanks for watching.